Dream Team, welcome back to another dream. So today I got a special video that I've been waiting on for a minute. We're finally, I ain't gonna lie, I just said screw it. We're going straight pipe on the A8, just why not? All right, so the first time I actually made a video before removing the resonators. So I actually removed the first resonator, which me and my dad thought that this was the only one. So most people, when they see the A8, they think it has 4 cats. Because it's 2 little resonators that look like cats, but they're resonators. So today, I just said, screw it. We're cutting off the last 2 resonators and the rear mufflers and running full straight pipe. I didn't do exhaust tips yet because I have a little cutout in the rear bumper that looks like exhaust tips. It's kind of, I want to get an S8 rear bumper, but right now, you're not going to be able to see it too much. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared. I feel like it's going to be too loud, which is a good thing, but I don't have no like Valvetronic. And y'all probably like, so what are you doing with the opening and closing valves? They cut it out as a blank, right? And they're welding it to the side of the pipe so I don't throw codes, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, I can't wait. It's gonna be so loud. And I got spacers too. I bought two sets of spacers. So we got, y'all can't see, but these are 15 millimeter spacers. Those are for the front, and then we got 20s for the back. Now, I will be honest with y'all. Bro, I made 3 different videos for spacers because I kept buying the wrong spacers. Like, one, it'll be the right size, but the hub is not big enough. Or, yeah, that was really just the problem. Or the bolt pattern was off. I don't know what was going on. But it would say the right thing on the picture, but then when you get it, it's not the right thing. It was making me mad. So these are my 3rd set of spacers. Yeah, don't make fun of me. Now all there is to do, oh yeah, I'm watching Finding Nick, of course. Usually I'm watching Quan, but I stumbled across Finding Nick. His videos are actually awesome. I love his videos. But with that being said, all there is to do is wait. So I'll catch up with y'all when I finally get that call saying the car is ready. Bye. Now for you to get an exhaust for the Panamera, this is a V6 though. I don't know how good it'll sound. Or one for that. You gonna get an exhaust for the Macan? No. I will say the Macan, the stock exhaust, like I'm not a big fan of stock exhaust. But this one, it don't sound too bad. All right, so the deed has been done. I gotta hurry up and get back so I can get time for work. Let's see what it sounds like. I'll let you hear it when we get to somewhere else. All right, so this is killing me. All right, so the exhaust is done. It don't, honestly, it's different. It's not as what I thought it would be. It sounds good. I still feel like it sounds like it's missing something because I'm used to the pops and crackles, but it sounds really good. It's still got that raw, sophisticated sound. It's like borderline Mustang, but kind of Maserati a little bit. It's complicated. It's cool though, it sounds good. I'm gonna show you the idle. I'm in the neighborhood, so I can't really rev it. So the idle definitely sounds a lot better. Oh, they really just did a straight pipe there. Oh my gosh. Yo, yeah, I didn't get exhaust tips. They got them things, but it's not bad. All right, so when I go to work, sorry, I was riding with the windows rolled down so I can hear it. When I go to work, I'm gonna get a couple little drive-bys, a couple, like what you can hear with it, like what it sounds like in the car. Cause I don't even know what it sounds like. When you listen, I know what it sounds like inside the car, but not outside the car. It's cool, it's different. It's not how I thought it was, how I thought it would be. I just hope it's not like trombone-y, but it don't sound trombone-y. It's deep, it's like really deep. I thought it was gonna be as deep as the Black Rover, but I don't know, it's different. I don't know if you can hear the turbos. I don't know. I'll see when I watch this video, but I kind of like it, it's different. All right, I'm about to head to work, so I'm gonna give y'all kind of a cold start. It haven't been turned on in like 3 hours, so let's see what we get. All right, so I'm gonna hurry up and do a couple drive-bys before I go to work. Oh, my hand's messed up. So y'all can hear what it sounds like. All right, so it's the next day. It started pouring down raining yesterday, so I wasn't able to get like good clips. But I got a couple back row clips and I think a rev clip that y'all seen earlier. Before I end up this video, I'm gonna give y'all a real cold start. It's been sitting overnight all through the rain, so it's ready to be started up. But I ain't gonna lie, at first I really didn't like the exhaust. But that was because I only heard it from the inside. I ain't gonna lie, when hearing it from the inside, it doesn't give you that oomph that it really has. Now, since that I've recorded it and heard it from the outside, it sounds so good. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. When I picked it up from the shop, they was like, it sounds unique, and I can definitely understand what they mean by it sounds unique. It really does. If y'all made it this far in the video, this is the end of the video, but if y'all made it this far in the video, thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope I finally made a really good video for the Audi A8, because there really isn't any good videos for a real straight pipe. And just to confirm everything that I've done, I've removed all 3 resonators and rear mufflers. So only thing that's on that car is cats. Straight pipe, fully straight pipe. So don't be in the comments if you want to be in the comments, but don't be in the comments talking about, did you remove these resonators or everything's gone. It's just pipe, bro. So with that being said, let's get into the last cold start. I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching. We're on the road to, I forgot for this channel, we're on the road to 1K subscribers. So hopefully we get there. Yeah, Dream Team out. Let's get to the cold start. Yo, that is loud. What? Nah, I love this exhaust. That was loud. It's not Black Rover loud. Like if you've been watching me for a while, you know what the Black Rover sounds like. Stupid. But like, it's kind of like that. Yo, that's hard. That's hard. Oh my God, just wait to the tune. I ain't gonna lie, that someone kind of just made my day. But that's the end of the video. I don't want to hold y'all for too long. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we out. Dream Team.